Hey, fifth grade. Hopefully by now you have had a chance to watch and listen to chapter 3 and 4 vocabulary words. For these next two chapters, you have 6 vocabulary words that you will want to know to understand for the next two chapters. You will do a vocabulary practice similar to last time. There are a few changes on this document from the previous one. So each couple chapters of vocabulary, it could be the same, there could be some differences, but generally you will do the same types of practice. So the directions say define the following words, then give either an example, use it in a sentence, give a synonym or an antonym for the word. Use what will help you remember the definition. So the first vocabulary word is solemn. So you need to first provide the definition of solemn. Please really try to use dictionary.com or Google. Search the word up yourself. When you do that, it will help increase your understanding. If you just copy what is in the video that we provide for you, it's not helping you understand the word. It's just giving you the meaning. So really take the time, look the word up yourself, okay? So provide the definition. Then either give an example of the word, use it in a sentence, give a synonym or an antonym. You do not have to do all of those things. You pick one. You give the definition and then pick one of those other options. So I want to use it in a sentence. The funeral director was a very solemn man, period. There is my use it in a sentence. Then I will remember this by, and then you'll say how you can remember the definition. What will you use to help you remember? If I use my sentence, solemn man, if I think about a funeral director, they're pretty serious. They're not always happy. So I know that solemn means serious and not happy. That's how I could remember it. That's what you want to do for the 6 vocabulary words this week. If you can't find a synonym or an antonym, for example, don't do those. Use it in a sentence or give an example of it. What else? That should be about it, I think, as I sit here thinking about it. Please don't use my example sentence for solemn or how I plan to remember it. These are things to help you better understand these vocabulary words. So really look them up, make connections to them for yourself so you have a better understanding of what they mean. Happy hunting. Miss Frommelt and I will be on from 1 to 1:30 to answer questions. If you guys want to get on and say hi because you haven't seen us or you haven't seen friends, that's fine. But remember, 1 to 1:30 is a time meant to help you guys with your assignments. All right? Have a great day.